Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, and I am mirpele-murpele. Right, let's play a normal kind of Sicilian. Oh, as I say, normal Sicilian. We get a weird one. This variation. Okay. I want him to take here and try and castle queenside and stuff. Maybe d4 is possible, or maybe not. Just keep calm. Rook e1, d4 coming up. Alright, what's going on here? So, is bishop g5? Well, just what about going for the attack rather crudely with this one? Because the knights are over here. So there might be queen h5. But I'm not really concretely threatening anything. He's got knight d4 though. Knight d4 could be annoying. I don't know how I get more bits in for the attack here. How do I do that? Knight takes knight e4, and then bishop h6. That's a good idea. Knight takes knight e4. I can try and chip away at h6. Chip h6. So knight takes knight e4. He's got queen e5, for example. Well, I'll do that anyway. Central control's quite good here, I think. Queen e5, yeah. Right. Is queen h4 any good? Get to play f4 with tempo. Then maybe f5 after. I don't mind about c2 if I can get an attack here. c3 might be worth it though. I'll play c3 to get d4 square control. Okay, so f4 now. That's actually g4 if queen f5. Interesting. So get to play. Well, this diagonal's going to be dangerous though. f5 though here undermines. No, it doesn't. Maybe it does. Bishop d5. Actually, it does for bishop c6. Interesting. Oh, this could be fun. This could be something going on here. Ah, not really. Okay, I'm on c6 though, so if he takes here, I get c6 after. g5, plow on. So this pressure's good here. If I take, I don't know, g6, is anything stronger? There's rook f6, takes queen h6, f5. So I'm going to play this g6 after. Maybe there's rook f6. Anything stronger there? Can't see it. Rook f6 takes queen h6, f5. I think I'll take this. Oh, there's bishop g5. That's a good grip on things, especially after h7
Check.
to get the king on the dark square. Then bishop g5. Mind you, there's f5 here. Yeah, that holds things. It seems, unfortunately. Bishop G2. Right, we're equal on clock at the moment. I think he's got some weaknesses to exploit. I go for rook E6 here. That diagonal again, slightly vulnerable. So if I take and then rook E6, we'll just rook E6 straight away.
Check.
Let's do this. These are loose pieces. C6 is loose, so if I double, that's a good possession of that E file. So rook E7, try and win 2 pieces for rook. Okay, his B4's not really on the cards. There's bishop D5, threatens rook C6. Maybe that's worth throwing in here. So rook E3 to H3. I'll keep this pressure. I think rook E7 is dangerous. I've got the D2 square covered. Is D4? Oh. Right, just maybe H4 for a moment. Keep the pressure on, keep the control. Bishop F4 here, I don't think. I'll try this, keep D3 for a moment. So bishop F4. Right, bishop F4 here. Can I not just take his rook? Exchange up. King F4, H5, that sort of thing. King G5, what about King G5? That gives me rook F6. Oh no, there's knight D5. Oh, there's knight D5. Is he getting some play? F4, F3. I think my rooks are a bit stuck. Try and get them out of trouble. Okay, H5. I don't want to get short on time here. This is not good to get short on time. 48 seconds, so the exchange up, but a bit tricky. So, can I get this pawn? If I can get this pawn.
Check.
Oh, he's won the exchange back. Ah. Oh, he's going to be threatening mate now. Oh, man.
Check.
Alright, don't panic. 29 seconds. Oh, I could have just won the rook there. 24 seconds, yep, it's a mess. I think I've got to get into pre-move mode soon. 22 seconds. Oh dear, it was tricky. It was tricky, to be fair. I thought it was tricky anyway. So he's slowed down a bit here. I could offer a draw.
Draw.
Check. Check. Check.
Ooh. Well, it's drawn now, isn't it? Oh, come off it. What is going on today? Oh, come off it. Oh, what is it? What is it with these people? I don't know. I don't know what is it with these people. Oh dear. The game has taken over the science of the game totally. I think that's a bit too much. Strange, gotta say. Okay, Rook F6 plus. Oh no, +7. We're gonna put them away.
Check.
Bishop G5. What's the idea of this? Oh, Bishop F6, taking in for Bishop F6. Wow, what an amazing idea.
Check.
So Rook F6 was. So let's have a look at this again. Rook F6. Check.
Check.
And if here, Bishop G5. It keeps hold of stopping black playing F5. I think that's a key thing.
Check. Check.
That's a shame. Knight D5. Okay. Just Rook takes G6, yeah. Rook takes G6. This is okay as well. I mean, it's not losing the advantage just yet. Until coming up here to Knight F6.
Check.
And even here, better is King G5. Yeah, that would have kept the pass pawn. Bit of a panic, just because it's not what I wanted. I've just got to make the best out of it. It's still a pass pawn here.
Check.
So that's what happens. Oh dear. Alright. More coffee. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.